nibukele babukele behlelo lena lihamba embili naleni lithandzako eSateli TV Tandla nenkondlo libito lami ngingifortunate ngwakamabuzi niyadinga ukuthi nasinibona Fortune sikhathi sathatha inkondlo sikhathi sekuthi nini nifunze nichubeke nibone ukuthi ningatiphilisa kanjani empilweni ngiyethemba ukuthi ningene kahle ke umnyaka usaqala ninema plans lamahle awo lo mnyaka futhi ngiyanethemba ukuthi nani nibosonkondlo bami lenisebanihlethi lapha nitawuphuma this year nithi no this is our year asesishoni nje kanye sithi lo ngumnyaka wethu sinaye ke sonkondlo wethu namuhla lothi yena ungidlala iFire Zulu kancane ngathi he dlala iFire Zulu kanjani bakuthembisa wethu yini anyways imlaleli endlala ifa umuve ukuthi uhaya kanjani iphinze yini la siphathele kona
uma ngibuke emuva ngibuka igama lengendlule kido ngiyabutisisa ukuthi kanona uNkulunkulu ngubani ngiyacabanga awungwenyama yesive sakaJuda akekho longalinganiswa nawe wena uNkulunkulu wakhulula abantwana baIsrael eGibhithe wena uNkulunkulu wavusa Lazarus ekufeni ngubani longamelana nawe Jehova wena Nkosi yatata insizi tethu ngawe futhi tiyawuphela tithinya wena uvusa lebese kufile ukuphilise lebese kulahliwe ukuthi ukuthinzide kanona simakathi ngubani ngiyabuda lese bakhuleke kakhulu bangafe basikawukho kanona Nkosi ukhona kuphela usabahlelela labanyeke bakubone kwenta kwakho ngaba kwathi nekuthuba ukuthi wena somandla nalamhla ngigucile ngelitholo phambi kwakho ngithi somandla uphakeme ngetulu kwemandla onke ungibamba ngesandla noma sengiphuma endleleni ningangibuta ukuthi leni mina nginganichazela nini kanti manje lo somandla lengimkhuleka ngiguca amadvolo kuye malanga onke angiphakamise ngesandla noma sengiwile angivusa ngithinzide ningangibukela phansi ningenge kodwa ngithi kini somandla uphakeme nemandla akhe mina ke ngindlala iFire Zulu ngethwe ngemazulu ngichamuke emazulwini ngithunywe ngibabe lo mlethe ndoyithula njengoba unjalo angeke ngize ngishiyela ngehlava emshweni ngiyathemba nankwethu umlayedo angeke nawusala njengoba unjalo yasiyabukula indlala iFire Zulu
ndlala iFire Zulu siyajabula kuba nawe ehlelweni Tandla nenkondlo vusela umbukele ekhaya utisho ligama lakho mbamba ngwangiyathi uthi awusindlala iFire Zulu
anguvusele mbukele ekhaya igama lami ngingiduduzo sibonga kaMbhamali
okay Duduzo Mpamali uhlala kuphi uchamuka kuphi
ngihlala khona la mahlabathini ekhaya kethi kuseluve le endazi kubokuthimleni
okay nabangitshela ke mina bathe kunandlala iFire Zulu ungidlala iFire Zulu ufika kanjani lapho
kuba ngidlala iFire Zulu ngaqala nangingenela ipoetry so ngathi ngicala bandla iFire Zulu nangicala kwenta inkondlo ngaqala ngingekho eSomveni so I'm a born again Christian so lokusho ukuthi ngase sengicala ngingenela iSomvu ngingenela kwami iSomvu kwase kungenta ukuthi bese ngidikhanisa sengiba ngidlala iFire Zulu
uqala nini which year
kuba seSomveni ngicala 2023 eSomveni nga-October kuqala kwami eSomveni la ngaqala khona kumembi kwebamvu ngikhulume nebantu ngibatshela inkondlo yami lengiva ngekhathi kimi so ngathi nangicala kuba senkondlweni kwase kuba khona lengidibana naye khona lekhathi eSomveni beyangasiso inkondlo ngase soyangijoyina nami khona la lokuba ngilosongondo
naku ke soyaqala uya reciter eSomveni inkondlo takho udibhala ngani is it gospel is it love wenda kanjani
inkondlo tami lengavenje ngayibhala ngaqala ngayaNkulunkulu ngaba nekubuka limuva lami ukuthi yate emva la ngiphuma khona uNkulunkulu kunengi la ngisitekiko so i-role model yami bengisolo ngiyibuka ngithi yathi ngiyafisa kubanjana ngimvu nami bekakhuluma ngenkondlo kaNkulunkulu so ngase ngithi nami angeke ngize ngihluke kuye ngidawubuka kuye ngase sengiyaqala ngibhaka inkondlo kaNkulunkulu ngabuka limuva lami ngase sengiyabhala
who is your role model
My role model is Poet Amandla.
Sibonge Poet Amandla for ukungi-introduce ku-poetry. Naku ke sokuqalile wabhala ama-poems akho uya-recite eSomveni ugcine eSomveni kuphela yini noma nasesikoleni nakhona uyaye ubathi fahla kancane nje
esikoleni ngiyabafahlata ngithi inkondlo bo-culture day kwaba ne-memorial nje sonesikolweni ngavela so sebagcine bayangadi sengiyabachazela ukuthi mina ngibhala inkondlo bake bathi sengibabhalele so nabo classmates bami mhlawumbe ngefe period khanze ukuthi sebathi-ke cela ngibasukumele ngibendele ukuze lokhona kujwayele abantu ngivele ngisukume ngibendele kanjalo
khona yini usitho lolithola kwesikoleni from bothishela or labanye bosonkondlo labakhona esikoleni
alisile linganani lokho ukuthi nje bayangivumela ukuthi ngisukume ngibendele inkondlo kusho ukuthi mhlawumbe bayafisa kungisida manje shothi noma kubedele lokuncane labangisida ngabo
i-reaction yabafundi banjani abakwendini ukuthi ivungazi ukuthi hayi ngiyayekela mina ipoetry vele kusabuyela kiyo or bayakhuthata ukuthi ichubeka nepoetry
Bakhona laba ngikuthathako phindze ngingasho ukuthi bakhona laba ngicekela phansi khanze ukuthi batothi hawu wena wenta le mfo lena yike le mfo le. So labanye bayasho bathi fake amandla ufake umfufo utawugcina uphakeme njengalaba lobabukako nangabe mhlawumbe ufuna ukuphakama njengabo.
Okay, kulaba ke labayaye bakhulume timfo letingasikahle. Uyaye overcome kanjani lama challenges kanjengalawo ngoba lo munye umuntu uyayathatha timfo tibe personal bese akasachubeki kwenta lokulafise kwenta. Uyaye wena udile njani ngako wena?
So ku poetry mina ngangena ngoba ngathi so kungena kwami poetry angeke ngize ngiyekele ingalifezi liphupho lami ngifuna ukulifeza. So angeke ngize ngive ngabo ngisho kanjalo. Poetry ngangena angeke ngize ngiyekele ngingakalifezi liphupho lami. Nemaphupho lamanyenti kakhulu so poetry ngiyo yekuqala le phupho lami lengifisa ukulifeza. Nakwenteka la namhla shona nami bengicela ngakhathatheke bangani bami ngoba lapho ngiyakhona kungcono khashana la ngikhona khona. Ngiyathi kwena usanikhala tinyembe lithushukisa kwetemntwana lelo langa lebe selifikile obangasekho nje longajikisa. Ngiyathi kwena ufisa ukujikisa kodwa kuyobe sekuzima. Uma kungenteka shone nami ngafuna ngishaye itandla ngijabule kakhulu kunakucala ukuthi nami sengiyaleka lendzawo yekuthula. La ngiyakhona lapha abangani bami kungcono khashana la ngikhona khona. Kunganikhathathi phela kubona lela phetule sibhakabhakeni lithi notahla kuniyathi lahlekanye nami. Ngiyonikumbula siyokhumbulana nje. La ngiyakhona lapha abangani bami ngiyobe ngembathe inhlophe njengeliqhwa emanikiniki tinkinga kanye tinsizwa mhlawumbe phensa khwala kulomhlaba. Uma lelanga lifika lelanga lelo labanye ndiyo bashana mebuto kodwa uyabangasekho nje waphendula. Bengifisile pha abangani bami khamba nani ngoba wonke wesikole sonke kanye kodwa phela khumbulani angeke lize shone sonke kanye la liyafika lelanga nami nawe swabili kasilati kodwa labe selifikile mhlasimbe yothi nalifika liyokushaya nesisho esithahlohlola khala mhlasimbe yothi nalifika liyokhanza enzayo into kwelo mnyama yabonga usalijisa labe selifikile ngivale ivi ngemva kwami lithi seliyeda selisonzele selisedvutane kakhulu lelanga kunganikhathathi abangani bami ngiva ngimetha ngithi uyingcwele nami ngizama ukuthi iqinisele indlela yami leyakhona le la solo ngihala yakufika khona phela kule yenza umani ungene nje ungena ngemsebenzi yakho lemhle kuphela mina ke ngidlala fire izulu ngikhethe ngemaZulu ngichamuke emazulwini ngithunywe ngibabe lo mleto ndo ethula njengoba unjalo angeke ngize ngishiye nanye ehlave emshweni ngiyathemba nangothi umlayethu angeke nawo sawo njengoba unjalo yasiyabobula indlala fire izulu
kumbe kuzivetela nje maphupho akho lonawo ka poetry ngabe ngwapi
kucala poetry ngaqala ngabuka Isaiah 59 verse 1 uthi moya wenkosi simakathu kimi ngoba simakathu ngigcobile uthi ngithume indzaba etimnanzi kulabo labambovu ngibophela bothi inhlitiyo yabo titsakile lokusho ukuthi ngifisile ukuthi wonke umuntu ngimhilishe njengoba khanze ukuthi mhlambeni ukhwaliso shonele ngumdali sengiyacala ngiyamchazela khanze ukuthi njengoba ikhansela yakhe sengiyamkhansela ngiyamtshela yathi lokhu nami ngeke ngicakike kulokunye noma bangengcikiko but sengendlela ukuthi naye ngingene ecathuleni takhe bese sengiyamendela.
Okay. Alright, kulo msebenzi lo mkhulu kangaka ngeva ukuthi hayi kwami niyangesinza uyayithola in support le yanele ekhaya.
Ekhaya ngisho ukuthi lokuthi bangivumele bathi hamba uye kuphi kusho ukuthi bayangisupporta ngaloko nawo shot bede lokunyendi kanganani khomba isupport lokuthi bathi sukuma uye kuphi nangithi ngigucenge emafolo ngicela kuya kuphi bathi hayi khululeka hamba nethi uphephe la uyakhona.
Okay.
Kusho ukuthi bangikhombisa lithando kuloko.
Okay, kumbe ke kuchishisa labanye bosonkondlo laba abafunzi njengawe yini lena labangayenda kuze ukuthi batali babo balibone leli talent labanalo bakhona kubasupport.
Kusonkondlo labangangami le bonza ngami ngisho ngithi abafake amandla kakhulu kona akukho lula. So bangathi nabasibuka ujethi mhlambeni abavele bazi baphangiphangisa akukho lula vele ucala phansi mhlasimbe uthi yahaya uve ngazi ukuthi lokhu haya akusebenzi uthi yahaya labanye bakubukele phansi because akusiyo bonke labasithandzako siphila nabo kodwa siphili ngabo. So kungaba ngiloko ukuthi ngithi abafake amandla bangalahli ithemba noma kunyukela kumadima simo sitawushintsha kibo.
Okay. Ufiseleni ngibasita labanye bosonkondlo labancane kunawe lo tawuchamuka maybe ka form 5 athi ngiyakubona manje dlalifu uyayisendele lenye into lapha ka assembly awungisita utawukhona yini kubasita ufisile yini kubasita vele.
Ngifisile kakhulu ukuthi ngisithela abanye nabo bakhule njengami so kukhulisa umuntu ngenkondlo mina ngiyayibese sengimkhulisa spiritual akhule abe sesomvena abe salvation soldier angagcini njengethi inkondlo kuphela because angibhali inkondlo yelithambo.
Okay.
Not that ukuthi mhlambeni angikhoni mhlambe ngingakhona ngathi ngiyazama but sekuthi ngase ngavele ngakhetha uNkulunkulu ekuqaleni. So ngiko lokwangenda ukuthi ngingasakhona ukubhala inkondlo yethando noma ngithi ngiyabhala noma ngabhala line linye lo vathi mfuna isebenzi but ngicala ngibonga uNkulunkulu bese kuyaflowa konke.
Okay. Ngilaba fisile ke ukusita ukubambisa andlalifa usakhula kule journey yakho yekuba ipoet bangakusita ngani?
Kungisita kwabo kungaba ukuthi mhlawumbe nangabe mhlawumbe kukhona la kuvula khona amathuba mhlawumbe khona la kufuna sikuyiwe khona mhlawumbe bangangithinza nami ukuze into khona ukuthi labanye nalabanye batokhona ngingadiwa nje around the world, so ngigcine ngadiwa mhlaba wonke yonke indzawo. So kungabi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngadiwa la khaya eSwatini kuphela, ngigcine nami ngadiwa nakulamanye amave ngihambe ngiye kulamanye amave.
Any special message longayisho kubantfu labenta umsebenzi wetandla labane makhono njengawe like poetry, maybe lomunye yahlabela, ungathini kibo?
Lengingakusho kubantfu labenta tinkondlo noma labenta makhono ngetandla, ngingasho ukuthi abagcine bafake amandla, bangasheshi ba-give up. Yebo le ndlela enyukela but ke yebo akusiko lula, ngiyabavumela but ke batagcina bafezile amaphupho abo.
Okay. Alright, nasekusupporta ke sitakutfola kuphi, sikuthole kanjani? Ngoba ngiyathi useMaSwati ngeke ahlale phansi akubukele enjoy inkondlo takho kuphela, batawufuna ukusupporta, bakusupporta kanjani ke?
Mhlambe kungaba ukuthi ngingabaniki inombolo yami lapho bangangifola khona 7864 6508.
Okay.
79878508.
Okay, social media ema-handles zakho athini?
Ndlalifayile Zulu social media, ngikhona ka Facebook, ngikhona ka TikTok, only these two. So ubhala Ndlalifayile Zulu but ka Facebook ubhala Nduduzo Mpamalo uyangithola, ka TikTok ubhala Ndlalifayile Zulu nakhona ngiyatholakala. Sekwanele manje Bontsanga, ndethembiso tamnani ngiyakukhumbula. Ngiyathi kona ngangithembisile ukuthi le ngubo ngiyayimbatha kodwa lamhla ngiyayimbula. Ngiyashisa lapha ngakhathiki impela ngiyafunga kukholula. Sibane besikhanyisela ikusasa lethu sacisha langa nasiphoqa inkukhu sidla umthundu wayo. Nalanga nasicala sifuna sithi kona ngaphandle kwecela kwakusebenza dlame. Mina sengenele, sengaze ngagula ngesifuba egameni lekuzama. Yebo kona ngiyathi kubuhlungu yeni kuvanga lomlomo lo wathembisa kukanilahli. Kodwa ngiyaxolisa abangani bami uma le ncitha kusho kutaniphatha kabi. Besitolo sidonsana ngenzambo lebolile. Incwale besiyigibele ngiye kanye besifaya emgodini onginamkhawulo cha station mina ngiyasala la. Sengaze ngihambe nani bekumnanzi sisekanye kanye kona besibshaya bongazofunga esibhejile kanti cha emamfombatana sishintshelela lamhla ngilomuthe khasa ngilomfisha ngilosidudla ngilosilenda emangweni basithwela sigcoko nathi sithisha sifuba sitiva sibakhulu. Sekwanele manje Bontsanga mina sengiyasala la. Bekumnanzi sisekanye kanye kuko konke le ngikushito ngithemba nembuleleke ukuthi mina sengiyaphumula ngiyaphuma la. Mina sengimkhethile somandla lo uhamba nami ngibambe ngesandla noma ngiphuma endleleni ngangibuta ukuthi leni nganichazela uthi yena utani nonke nenomile utani emantini. Mina ke bangani bami ngimunye walaba labomile bomele yena nani utani kuye kunekuphila kwakumbi kungaphakathe. Ngithemba nikuvile konke lezi ngikushito ngithemba nembuleleka. Sekwanele manje Bontsanga ndethembiso tamnani ngiyakukhumbula. Mina ke ngindlalifayile Zulu ngikhethwe ngeMaZulu ngichamuke eMazulwini ngithunywe ngibabe lo mlayeto ndoyithula njengoba unjalo angeke ngize ngishiye nalo ngehlava emshweni ngithemba nankwethu umlayeto angeke nawusala njengoba unjalo yasiyabula indlalifayile Zulu.
Sekwanele manje Bontsanga, tethembiso tami nani ngiyatikhumbula. Cha akusiwo-ke malayini ami malayini akhe nidlala iy'fayili Zulu ngethemba ukuthi jabulele inkondlo takho nawe yona sonkondlo lohleti lapha solubhacile. Ngiyakubuza ukuthi ubhaceleni ngoba nami sengi-out ngiye sonkondlo. I'm Poet Fortune anyways, sitawuthatha ukhefu sibuye sichube nalo hlelo ungayi ndzawo. Ngibukele ihlelo Tandla Nenkondlo sejabula ukuthi wena ukhethile wazi cha mina nginohlala phansi ngingayinzawo ngibukele lona ihlelo Tandla Nenkondlo la ekhaya kethi nesenza isiqiniseko ukuthi cha azikuleteli bosonkondlo kuphela yithi nje nasebacedzile ukuthi bahaye bese sohlala phansi uyafunza loyo msebenzi wetandla. Ngihlale ngikutshana ukuthi thina sihlala sita nemumphu lomusha sharp brand new la ehlelweni. Namhla ke sina uthe unalo igama lakhe lekutala but mina ngimathi njenga Slim B Art. Welcome to Tandla Nenkondlo.
Thank you.
Okay, Slim B Art or Slim B Artist?
Slim B the artist.
Or Slim B the Artist. Welcome to Tandla Nenkondlo. Please introduce yourself. Kumbukele ekhaya, usho ukuthi ngubani, wakabani, uchamuka kuphi?
Thank you so much for the opportunity. Igama lami Wesley. Igama lami lekutala Wesley Masuku. Slim B i brand name. Slim B the artist. From Ndunja.
All right, so nesikhathi singanani nje wenda umsebenzi wakho art yeah.
Yo, it's been a long time. Sekuthi akusiko isikhathi leside ngithethe ngayenda yaba professionally. But yeah, ever since I think high school or primary, because being in the art kuphela, there was a lot soccer and a lot of things, but then lately I've decided to kuthi acting in the full time.
Alright, so nesikhathi esinganani nje?
Maybe ever since 2020, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 2020, that's where I decided to make it a full-time thing.
Alright, now uthi uyi-artist yini kahle kahle lo yendako?
Okay, as much as I can do all kinds of art, but basically it's commission portraits, paintings. That's where I'm based much. That's where I usually dedicate most of my time at.
Okay. Alright, so umbukele nami ngiyadibuda ukuthi uyaye u-inspire yini when it comes to your drawings or your paintings?
Okay. Kunele mehluko ne. Kukhona commissions njengoba sengishito, which is usually you giving me your picture, then I draw you. Then bese kaba abstract art. That's where I used to do imaginary pictures, where I used to think of something or something that inspired me. Maybe ngabe landscape, which is usually a place which for future generations to be able to find that kind of a place which this place was like this. So it depends on the kind of art that I'm doing that day.
All right. Okay, na sikhuluma nje nge-portrait kuyaye kuthatha isikhathi esinganani?
Okay. Noqala nge-painting. A painting depends on the kind of paints that I'm using. Nangabe nje I'm using my oil paints, it usually takes a lot. Again, ngize ngisho ukuthi isikhathi esinganani because na left size yale sithombe determines, and kuma paintings you need to wait for the paint to settle down, then you can do a second coat and all this stuff. But kuma drawings, which is charcoal and graphite, the biggest, I think 2 weeks at most. If it's an A0, so A0 is the biggest I've ever done.
Alright, as an artist, lamanye ma-artisting ayaye athi mina nangitendela imvo yami ngifuna ukuthi ibe yami, angithi ngikusolo ngibuta kumuntu because I want it to be unique. Wena njani uyalithola yini isito kulabanye, or kukhona lapho uyaye uzame khulisa khona lwati lwakho in terms of maybe YouTube, uthi uyaqhubeka ufunze khona, or something else?
Yeah, there is. Check my tutorials if you want to try something new. Okay. Obviously, you have to have your own style to be unique so that people can love what you're doing. But then you need to learn. I have to grow. Learn from labanye. How do they do what you're doing? Now YouTube usually helps. Go and check a few things that you want to do better or you want to improve. Hyperrealism, for example, needs you to focus, to have scarcity on your work, because the longer you take, the more quality you get.
Okay. Okay, in terms of equipment, haikudureli ni utkanze, so in the ilos inasos nigeta inverted.
Itulile kakhulu, which is one of the challenges that we faced. Not me alone, I know basically. Onke ma artist, not ama artist lanjengam. Tishe industry yaka art yonke. Equipment wise, ngikolele abantu abaningi labanga understand. Because mina nje i-material yami idule kakhulu, which is the paper that I'm using is not the paper that you can think of. It has to be a different paper, even the pencils, the brushes, everything, so funa ukuthi ngithole lokhu quality so that you can get the quality that you're looking for. So vele kuyadula kakhulu. Lokho kube i-challenge nasengiprice. Kwanza ukuthi bathi ngiyadula and all the stuff, but akusimi lo dula yakho. The material iyadula. Kumele ngisframe lesithombe, kumele ngideliver. Those are the services that I usually do. So kuyadula. Some of them ngiyakhona ngithenga outside, but then there is a guy lengivamisa ukuyithenga kuye, which is nayo uyithenga ngaphandle Mzwandile Moletsane. Uyayithola khona material good quality, but then nayo uyithola outside, but mostly vele it's not available in the country.
Okay. So kulaba fisile ke kunisita ngoba lo munye umuntu uyaye athi nakabukela athi no mina I want to be part of Slimpy the artist ngimsite ku improve business yakhe bangakusita ngani na uhledu uyabukela nyalo ufisile ukusita yini lokulanga kusita ngakho.
Okay, kule industry le we need support. That is one of the main major things that we need. Kusita nje we need support because the more you support ngiyakhona ukuthi I can buy whatever that I need for kudikhulisa mina and go outside for workshops and everything. All that needs money. You need to have money, so yeah, bangasita ngokusupport, give us the support that we need. Appreciate the work because we work hard, we don't sleep.
Okay, any future plans?
Getting better every day. Getting better every day. Planning to have maybe I would say second edition because I once had an exhibition. Planning to have another one basically. I don't know when, but maybe to announce soon. Yes.
Kusita ke lamanye ma artist ufisile yini like baqhamuke nje asesithi kumbe kuvuleka liphumela ukuthi sale uba imentor yabo ungakhona yini noma it's Slimpy the artist all the way and I need nobody else.
Nah, it's possible. It's possible because now I'm here because I was helped. I can't lie. A lot of people have been helping throughout. So yeah, I can help with whatever that somebody needs. Yeah, so together we can make it happen.
Okay. I-patience yakho ihamba ifike kuphi ngoba kunemtali nje lona emfana lona 5-6 years ungakhona kubafundzisa labangakho?
Okay. Njengoba sengishile ekuqaleni because lapho it sounds like sema classes, but then in art you need to love the thing because I can't push you to do it. You need to love it and do it. And mine lucky enough so I got support learning from my parents, from my mom, especially my family, my brother. A lot of people they did help me because kulukhuni ukuthi umuntu ala understand ukuthi kunemibala wakhe lofunzile because ngifunzile ngaqedza and everything lofunzile lofuna kuphila ngedrosha. Yeah, it doesn't sound like it's something that you can do for a living, but then mina I did got that support. Sekungakhuthaza abatali nje ukuthi yeah, you can support the child. It's possible. Kuyendeka kona kusilula because yeah, uyahlala isikhathi leside not getting any commissions, but we're trying. Good when we have to live with what we have, even though it's not easy in the society, I would say. But yeah, in the country that we are in, artists can be the thing that can make you live. But we are trying to make it happen for the future generation. Because but then we are trying to make it happen.
Okay, kumbe kukhuthaza labanye ama-artist la hlete emakhaya lahle nelithemba ngono wena you said I want to do this and uwenda every day, but ikhona nalo athi ngisasithombe kanye bangasijabuleli kumbe walahla lithemba ungamkhuthaza uthini?
Work hard. That is one of the things like fine art. You need to work hard, improve your work every day because the more you follow critics, which means you are happy because laba criticize, those are the people who are helping you to get further. So nje kungaba ukuthi uthole that information, unga give up, work hard every day, ungajagi kuthengisa. You need to improve yourself and you need to love the thing that you're doing because without the love and the passion you're not gonna do it easily. So yeah, you need to have the love, the passion, because passion is one of the things that will push you to what you want to do. You first need to love, appreciate the work, improve, then people will love what you're doing. Or invest more time in what you're doing, then people will love and appreciate your work.
Okay, sisatake kukusupporta sende neliphupho lakho ukuthi lifezeke, sikuthola kuphi, sikuthola kanjani?
Slimpy the artist in all social media platforms, which is Facebook, IG, Twitter and TikTok. Yeah, Slimpy. And my number, which is 7867-2770 on WhatsApp. Then you can have my call is 7953-3214.
Mbukeli wehlelo Tandla Nenkondlo sishwa ngiso sikhathi ngase yaqhubeka sakulethela bosonkondlo nalabo labentayo nemisebenzi bala ekhaya eSwatini. Kepha ngiyathi ukuthi wena kuningi lokufunzile namuhla kuyendlala ifayeli Zulu kanye nalo yelo wento umsebenzi weTandla wathatha lesinqumo wena wathi cha mina kusukela namuhla umsebenzi wami weTandla ngawuphumela nayo ebaleni bawubone bathi noma ngabe uvungaza uthi uhluke kakhulu azange sewube khona ngiyathi ukuthi khalo utawujabulela nawe utawudiva ukuthi hayi man yabo le ngendawo kingiyo sibonana ke mbukele evikini elitawo ngasesikhathi sifana go goodbye and God bless.